नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। This is JVN Dr. Rakesh Sharma, Professor, Department of Medicine, Homeopathic Philosophy. Our today session is Stuart Close Philosophy, Chapter 7, Susceptibility, Reaction and Immunity. Part first. By susceptibility, we mean the general quality or capability of the living organism of the receiving impressions. The power to react to stimuli. Susceptibility is one of the fundamental attributes of life. Upon it depends all functioning, all vital processes, physiological and pathological. Digestion, assimilation, nutrition, repair, secretion, excretion, metabolism, and catabolism, as well as all disease process arising from the infection or contagion depend upon the power of the organism to react to specific stimuli. So susceptibility is the quality है living organism, capability of receiving impression, द पावर टू रिएक्ट टू स्टिमुलस, जो भी कोई स्टिमुलस के अगेंस्ट इसको रिएक्ट करना है. ऑल फंक्शंस डिपेंड अपॉन our susceptibility, digestion, assimilation, nutrition, etc. The power of organism to react the specific stimuli is the susceptibility. The cure and alleviation. Alleviation मतलब the eradication of disease depend upon the same power of organism to react to the impression of the curative remedy. The cure, man, we give a drug to a healthy person for the purpose of making a homeopathic routine or test the train of symptoms which those represent the reaction of the susceptible organism to the specific irritant or stimulus administered. When a homeopathically selected medicine is administered to a sick person, the disappearance of the symptoms and the restoration of the patient to health represents the reaction of the susceptible organism to the impression of the curative remedy. Means, if when a homeopathic selected medicine is administered to a sick person, the disappearance of the symptom and the restoration of the patient represent the reaction of the susceptibility to the impression of the curative remedy. कि ये भी रिएक्शन है ससेप्टिबिलिटी का मेडिसिन के अगेंस्ट. द होम्योपैथिक एग्रावेशन और स्लाइट इंटेंसिफिकेशन ऑफ द सिम्टम्स which sometimes follows the administration of the curative remedy is merely the reaction of the organism previously perhaps inactive or acting improperly because of lowered susceptibility as it responds to the gently stimulating action of the medicine as a piece of machinery in which the bearings have become dry or rusty from disuse, cracks and groans when it is again started up into action. So the diseased, congested, sluggish organs of the body sometimes speak and groan when they begin to respond to the action of the remedy. All this and much more is included in the Hahnemann doctrine of vitality under the Newtonian principle of mutual action, restarted in medical terms by Hahnemann as similia similibus current and employed by him as the law of therapeutic medication. It is understood that action and reaction in the medical and physiological sense takes place only in the living organism and that it depends upon that fundamental quality and attribute of life which we call susceptibility. So it is understood that action and reaction in the medical and physiological sense means disease के दौरान और healthy state के दौरान takes place in the living organ because of due to susceptibility. We shall see that kind and degree of reaction to medicines depend upon the degree of susceptibility. मतलब that the kind and degree of reaction of medicine, मतलब medicine कैसे react करेगी depend करेगा susceptibility पे. Highly susceptible है या less susceptible है person, उसके according ही उसका reaction आएगा. And that the kind of degree of susceptibility in any particular case or patient depends largely upon how the case is handled by the physician. For it is in his power to modify susceptibility. Indeed, this power to modify susceptibility is the basis of the art of the physician. मीन्स कि ससेप्टिबिलिटी मतलब कि मॉडिफाइड हम कर सकते हैं अगर एबनॉर्मल ससेप्टिबिलिटी पेशेंट में हमें देखने को मिलती है। नॉर्मल ससेप्टिबिलिटी इज द हेल्दी कंडीशन, बट समटाइम्स susceptibility is abnormal to receive recurrent problems, can't tolerate slight exposure. We can modify it and we can try to normalize the susceptibility also. If the physician knows how to modify susceptibility in such a way as to satisfy the requirements of the sick organism and bring about a true cure, then is he a physician indeed. Since cure consists simply in satisfying the morbid susceptibility. again morbid susceptibility, उस morbid susceptibility को हमें check करना है and putting an end to the influx of disease producing cause. To accomplish this is he must know that susceptibility implies and includes affinity, attraction, desire, conditions, hunger, need, that these all exist and express themselves normally as states and conditions in every living being, but that they may become morbid and perverted and to cause disease, suffering, and death. He knows how that susceptibility implies the existence of the wherewithal to satisfy susceptibility, to supply need, hunger, desire, affinity, attraction, and he knows how and where to find the necessary modifying agent. मतलब कि morbid susceptibility का मतलब ये हो गया कि वो पर्सन बहुत ज़्यादा हाईली सेंसिटिव और हाईली ससेप्टेबल टू डिजीज कंडीशन, तो हमें उस प्रोसेस को भी चेक करना है। तो वो सब प्रोसेस हम होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन के द्वारा हम चेक कर सकते हैं। It is a well-known fact that the living organism is much more susceptible to the homogeneous or similar stimuli than to the heterogeneous or dissimilar stimuli. So it is well-known fact that the living organism is much more susceptible. मतलब जब हम नेचुरल डिजीज है उसको और जब हम आर्टिफिशियल डिजीज देते हैं तो सिमिलरिटी वाला रिएक्शन है, तो वहाँ पे ससेप्टिबिलिटी और ज़्यादा वर्क करती है। Throughout the entire vegetable and animal kingdom, we find the law of development and growth to be like approach, creating life. Organism and organs select elements most similar to their own elements. The same law holds good in excretion, each organ excreting or throwing off elements analogous to those of its own basic structure. So it is in satisfying the morbid susceptibility which constitutes disease. As hunger demands food, so disease demands medicine. Morbid susceptibility का मतलब कि पर्सन हेल्दी नहीं है, यहाँ पे डिजीज है और ये डिजीज मेडिसिन की डिमांड करती है to the sign and symptoms. This morbid susceptibility, which constitutes disease, may exist towards several different medicines. The degree of susceptibility to each depending upon the degree of symptom similarity. But the highest degree of susceptibility exists towards the most similar, the similar or equal. Hence, a given patient may be cured of his disease homeopathically by either of two methods, by giving several more or less similar medicine in succession, or by giving one exactly similar medicine, the similar or equal. It depends upon the whether he is being treated by a bungler or an expert. The bungler may zigzag his patient along through a protracted illness and finally get him well, where an expert would cure him by the straight route with a single remedy in half the time. मतलब कि अगर हम सिमिलिमम मेडिसिन लेते हैं, एक मेडिसिन लेते हैं, सिर्फ हम सिंगल स्टिमुलस देते हैं, इसके बजाय बहुत सारे हम स्टिमुलस दे रहे हैं, तो ससेप्टिबिलिटी और वाइटल फोर्स बिकम्स कंफ्यूज्ड। तो ससेप्टिबिलिटी में हम प्रॉपर सिमिलिमम रिएक्शन डेवलप हो उसके लिए हमें सिर्फ सिंगल स्टिमुलस की ही जरूरत है। द सिक ऑर्गेनिज्म बीइंग सो मच मोर ससेप्टिबल टू द सिमिलर मेडिसिन than the well organism. It follows that the size or quantity of the dose depends also upon the degree of susceptibility of the patient. A dose that would produce no perceptible effect on a well person may cause a dangerous or distressing aggravation in a sick person, just as a single ray of light will cause excruciating pain in an inflamed retina, which in its healthy condition would welcome to full light of day. सो बेसिकली हमें इस चैप्टर से समझना है कि ससेप्टिबिलिटी होती क्या है, उसका रोल क्या है डिजीज के दौरान और क्योर के दौरान. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.